We are Nautilus. We are the future.
Water, the mother element, the primary source of life here on Earth. It is vital that our water that we use is clean. After all, utilizing impure water can result in various diseases such as diarrhea, typhoid, and even cancer. Our robot is a water testing machine that will measure the dissolved oxygen and conductivity of the water. These parameters will be measured in order to determine the recreational usability of water. According to the WHO and EPA standard for recreational waters, the sample water must have a conductivity of an average of 1000 microsiemens and a dissolved oxygen value of 9 to 10 milligrams per liter. Our robot, which we have named SEAgregate, is equipped with a vernier sensor which will measure the set parameters of water. The robot works as follows. Firstly, the water sample will be poured into the 50 milliliter beaker. It will then be placed in the beginning of the conveyor belt. The first vernier sensor will then probe the water sample to check its dissolved oxygen level. After 1 minute, it will rise and the conveyor belt will move. The value will then be shown at the LCD of the robot brain. Then, the next vernier sensor will then measure the conductivity levels of the water. The robot brain will then process the values, whether they are acceptable within the given parameters. Then, the conveyor belt will move the beaker accordingly. If the values are acceptable within the given parameters, it will then be transported by the conveyor belt to the first dock. If not, the water sample will be transported by the conveyor belt to the second dock, which will then be pushed by the shaft to indicate that the water failed the given parameters. Water, the mother element, must be preserved at all costs. See you soon, Robothons. Team Nautilus, out.